This is another video from sewing machine mastering. This is a sewing machine, super heavy duty Pfaff 360, made in Germany, that came with a few good things like a needle position, a knob on the top to make different stitches. Before something, please, I ask you to subscribe my channel, like and share, because I will do better video in live, so please do that. It helps a lot. In the channel you will see the video complete of this. Please check the channel. So this machine has a heavy duty belt, so this belt